हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं आरजे आशीष एंड वेलकम टू द थर्ड एपिसोड ऑफ ग्लोकल। आज मैं आया हूं एज वाटर वीकेंड होम्स एंड रिसोर्ट विच इज़ मेड बाय लिलेरिया ग्रुप। इस पूरे वीकेंड प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में मैंने बहुत कुछ सुना है, तो यही ब्रांड स्टोरी आज मैं शेयर करने वाला हूं ग्लोकल में। ग्लोकल यानी कि लोकल ब्रांड्स विद ग्लोबल एस्पिरेशंस।
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Veer, my friend, good
you?
to see you at
Welcome to
one of
Edgewater.
your best properties, Edgewater Weekend Homes
Thank you
by
so much.
Lileria Group. And it's great to have you on Glocal. We have just started this amazing campaign to boost all the entrepreneurs of Vadodara, Gujarat and India.
Nice.
So, Lileria Group, ये नाम तो मैंने काफ़ी सुना है, लेकिन इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और भी मुझे बताइए. When did this whole real estate thing start? Because I believe that you guys are into multiple businesses.
Yes.
So when did you get into real estate?
So basically my father started the real estate company which was called Samanvai Builders
Okay.
in 1988 I think.
Okay.
And then since then it's now known as Lileria Group
Okay.
from 2012.
हाँ
That's the year I joined business.
हाँ हाँ. So that's been एक चीज़ जो मुझे लिलेरिया ग्रुप के बारे में अच्छी लगती है कि वडोदरा शहर के किसी भी एरिया में मैं जाऊँ, you know, I always see at least one Lileria Group का कोई ना कोई construction. So you have been into residential spaces and commercial complexes. How did you think about a weekend home? Because weekend home एक necessity तो है, लेकिन सभी लोग इसमें merge नहीं करते हैं. So when did you actually think about Edgewater Weekend Homes?
Ashish, I'm basically a weekend person, so I like to relax a lot on weekends.
Okay.
So 2016 since 2016
Yeah,
I've been looking for a lot of properties on the riverbank or the dam or something on the outskirts of the city. And then I found this beautiful piece of land.
Yeah,
It's a 12-acre property.
Yeah.
And
And it's a huge property, मतलब
Yeah.
12 acres. It takes a lot.
it's one of the biggest in Gujarat.
Oh,
One of the biggest projects.
so मैंने वीर तुम्हारे बारे में ये सुना है कि वीर is a racer. He's a huge racing fan. So from a racing background to real estate, ये जो पूरा transformation है, ये कैसे
Doesn't
हुआ?
match.
और ये वीर के साथ कैसे join हुआ? This whole thing.
So basically I was a professional motocross and supercross racer. I used to represent India.
Okay.
So I started racing in 2004.
Okay,
And I was training in America in 2011 and 12 and I had a big crash. So I had to come back to India.
Oh, okay.
And I was off for 6 months, you know, I had broken my leg and my back.
Oh, that was
Yeah.
that serious.
So I had no other job. So I had to join my father's business.
But also you have, as I said, that multiple businesses. But this seems to be that you know, this whole project is very close to your heart.
Yeah.
Because I guess three and a half years back in 2016, 2017, when I saw this property, I just visited you. वो time पे ये काफ़ी raw था, and now the way you guys do as a graphic representation perfectly, वैसा ही इसे execute किया गया है. So I believe that this is something Edgewater Weekend Homes is very close to your heart, I believe. लेकिन इसे execute करना भी, I'm sure that it would have been a lot of challenges, you know, roadblocks. How did you overcome all these things? Because this looks to be something which is really very close to you.
So weekend home, it's not a priority for everyone to invest.
Yeah.
So we had to put in our money to finish the project. Because जो दिखेगा वही बिकने वाला है. Weekend home में वैसा हो गया था.
Right. Alright, Veer, I've been to a lot of weekend homes and weekend properties, but I've never seen something which is so scenic, you know. ये एक sound of rains कहिए या sound of river कहिए, sound of water कहिए, ये continuously आपके कान में बजता है. So I guess ये पूरा जो inspiration आपको मिला है, the name Edgewater, I guess comes from this
Right on the edge of the
right
dam.
on the edge. Right. So how did you choose this whole piece of land? Tell me that story.
So the main priority was the water, that we wanted to buy the property wherever there is water.
Okay.
That was the first thing.
Okay.
And either a bank, a river bank or a lake or something. But water had to be there.
Okay.
And when we saw this property, we got more than water. We got the dam.
Yeah, we got dam.
So we just selected the property.
So
as the
hence
first.
the name Edgewater Weekend
yes,
Homes.
yes.
Superb. But मैं जब 3 साल पहले आया था ये बहुत नीचे था. So
Yeah.
have you done something special to lift this up
Yes.
and how, what
So
is
basically
that
this
thing?
was minus 40 feet down.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it was actually at the water level.
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
we
okay.
got the design made of the retaining wall from Australia.
हाँ, हाँ.
And it's a 1,000 running feet wall.
Okay, okay.
So we got it made and then we filled up a lot of things.
हाँ.
And पूरा 40 feet ऊपर लेके आए.
Correct,
Above
correct.
like 6 feet above the flood level.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's how the
maximum
whole
flood
thing
level.
has come. So now guys we are going to move towards the restaurant and the villas and the condos. जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैं आपको Edgewater के बारे में हर एक ऐसी छोटी बात बताऊंगा कि आपको भी बिल्कुल ऐसा दिल करेगा कि यार if I want a weekend home then Edgewater Weekend Homes has to be it. This is RJ Ashish and this is Glocal. After you. Thank you. So वीर जो बाहर की ब्यूटीफुल सीनिक ब्यूटी है वो हमने देख लिया एजवाटर वीकेंड होम्स की. अंदर आप क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करने वाले हो फॉर द मेंबर्स?
So we have a lot of amenities. इसमें swimming pool है,
Okay.
which is right on the dam.
Yeah,
View
we
on
saw
the-
that
yeah,
beautiful
yeah.
pool with the view.
Yeah. Then we have a coffee shop, we have a restaurant,
Okay.
and we have a spa, gym है, home theater है
Okay.
for around I think 35 people.
Okay.
And we have a grocery store.
Okay. So you have made a सर्वगुण संपन्न property. मतलब
Everything.
सिर्फ अपना
Whatever
सामान
is
लेके
needed
यहाँ
on a
पर आ
weekend.
जाओ and just enjoy with your family and friends.
So basically what we have done is we have connected all the houses
हाँ.
to the restaurant and the grocery store.
How is that?
So it's an intercom system.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So if you're in the house and you want something, whether it's a grocery stuff or a
Anything
food,
to it, yeah.
you just call up the restaurant or the grocery store and the person will come.
So you can just completely relax and re-energize on the weekend, staying at your villa.
You just come directly from your office,
Yeah.
get into your house, and then you'll have everything over here.
So now you're going to take me towards the villa, I believe.
I'll show you the villa.
Ta-da! So this is the villa of Edgewater Weekend Homes. Looks nice. Superb. Great. So the whole interiors and everything is pretty much ready. So how many condos do we have? How many villas do we have?
So we have around 24 villas,
Okay.
and we have around 50 condominiums.
Okay, okay.
Out of which I think 20% have already started the interior work.
Okay, okay.
So I think
okay.
this is the first unit to get over
Oh,
the
okay.
interiors.
So, if you have a potential buyer, अगर किसी को लेना है, तो वो सीधा luggage लेके आ सकता है. You get the
सीधा
things
luggage
ready.
लेके आ सकते हैं.
So what
basically we
packages
have
do you have
packages
generally?
for
Okay.
interiors.
Okay,
आज
okay.
के टाइम में किसी के पास टाइम
इतना ज़्यादा time
नहीं
नहीं है.
एजेंसीज लाओ.
हाँ.
There are so many agencies
Correct.
required to make a house.
Correct, correct, correct.
So what we do is we provide them all the services.
Okay,
We give them A, B, C packages,
Okay,
starting from
okay.
X money to Y.
okay, okay,
And they can select a package, and we give them a time frame to finish the project.
okay,
So we finish up all the interior part and everything in a span of 3 months,
okay.
and they just have to come with their clothes. That's
Oh,
it.
superb. Superb. Wow. Amazing. So this is the part which you call as a lake of
Yeah, the pond view.
the
for
pond
the
view.
condominiums.
Oh, superb, superb. Yeah, but it's such a huge property. You have so much of different kind of amenities. You know, you have so much of greenery. How do you manage to maintain, or what is the whole policy of maintaining such a beautiful property?
So basically, all the maintenance part we have kept with us.
Okay.
So we have an in-house team of around 15 people who are going to stay in this premises itself.
Okay, okay.
So we have gardeners से लेके swimming pool वाले.
अच्छा.
everything from A to Z. Road cleaning ka agencies, we have an electrical and a plumber in-house. Pura.
Okay.
So those people will be there on the society's payroll and they'll be managing the entire property.
Okay.
So whether it's a housekeeping part
Okay.
or the garden maintenance,
Okay.
everything
Everything is done. Superb. I've also heard, I was just going through your website and I saw that you have taken care of the minute details, you know, just in case if any guest is coming from the airport, so the pickup and drop, you provide those kind of facilities. You have a doctor on call.
So over here we have an admin office. Usme there'll be one estate manager
Okay.
who will be here entire week long.
Okay.
So anything you want, whether it's a airport pickup or a drop, he's going to take care of it. So whether you want to book a garden for your private function, you just have to call the admin office and he'll take care of it.
Okay. And I see, Veer, that they are, you know, the condos are ready, the villas are ready, but not many people have moved in so far. The interiors are still in the process. So why is that? You know,
So-
what is the pace of the whole project right now?
So see, some people don't have a priority right now to spend money in the weekend home.
Okay. So I see a lot of interior work is going on though.
So I think in a year's time, all the units should be ready and people should start
And
moving in.
people are going to party or at Edgewater weekend home. Thank you so much, Veer. I had a great time at Edgewater Weekend Homes. I wish you all the very best. और इसी तरह से वडोदरा का नाम और लिलेरिया ग्रुप का नाम आप ऐसे ही रोशन करते रहें और ऐसी ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टीज़ सारे बरोडियंस, गुजरातीज़, इंडियंस और दुनिया में जहाँ पर भी अच्छा वीकेंड होम कोई चाहता है उनके लिए बनाते रहे. आई विश यू ऑल द
Thank you so much,
बेस्ट.
Ashish.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो फ्रेंड्स, मुझे तो यहाँ पर आकर बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. This place, the Edgewater Weekend Homes by the Lileria Group, is just 15 kilometers from the center of Vadodara, and this is the perfect example how your weekend home should look like. इसी तरह से entrepreneurs, business groups, houses, products, brands की brand stories हम आप तक पहुंचाते रहेंगे in Glocal. Glocal यानी कि local brands with global aspirations.